This is a very quick example of what to do when Quick Pallet Maker tells you that your serial number is being used in another machine. First step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. It will tell you, it may tell you that the serial number is being used with another machine. Click on OK. You can click on Register, then Cancel, and go to the Help menu, choose Deactivate Serial Number. Serial number has been deactivated. Click on OK. Quit the application. You run it again. And now it says it has been activated. So you're set to go.